I love this quick and easy savory autumn soup. Here are the ingredients you will need: a green pepper, butter, olive oil, garlic, chopped rotisserie chicken, corn, 2 tomatoes, chicken broth, heavy cream, an onion, cumin, chili powder, and salt. Let's heat up the pan so we can saute our vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 chopped green pepper, and 1 diced onion. When the vegetables begin to get soft, we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic and the seasonings. Cumin is used by chefs to accentuate the flavor of the vegetables. It also adds a savory richness to your dish. Now add in your chili pepper, cumin, and salt. Chili powder is different from paprika. Chili powder is ground, dried chili peppers, along with a combination of other dried herbs and spices. Now let's add 3 cups of corn, 2 diced tomatoes, and 2½ cups of chicken broth. Add 1½ cups of heavy cream. This looks amazing. I chopped and cut a chicken that I had baked the other day, but most people like to buy a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, cut it up, and measure out 2 cups. The broth was a little thin to me, so I took out some of the hot broth and added 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. You want to make sure that it's smooth and mixed well before adding it back to the pot so that you don't get any lumps, but it will help thicken the broth. It is optional, and here is how mine turned out. Here I topped it with a little feta cheese and some cilantro. It tasted like it would be great with a dollop of sour cream. Try it and let me know how it tastes.